day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. It is 4:14 and 13 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, formaldehyde and cancer. So let's hop to it here. Toxic formaldehyde's dual nature to be probed with new chemical duel. Date September 28, 2023. Source: University of Leicester. Newly developed compounds aim to reveal the dual nature of formaldehyde, a chemical that is known to cause cancer, but is also believed to play important roles in our biology. As formaldehyde is prevalent in nature, it also has a variety of uses, such as glue and a sterilizing agent famously used in artworks. It is also known to be a human toxin and carcinogen, has the potential to cause cancer in high doses. And formaldehyde is also produced within our cells, and it is present in animals and in plants. Scientists are seeing growing evidence that formaldehyde plays an important role in our biology, despite its potential toxicity, giving it a dual nature. However, studying formaldehyde inside a cell is challenging because of its volatility and reactivity. It is important to understand what makes a molecule toxic and carcinogenic, as this could help scientists to find ways to prevent or treat those effects, and to probe its impact on our cells. More accurately, a new library of compounds designed to release formaldehyde in cells and control the amounts that can be used to more precisely to measure its effects. They are partly inspired by compounds used in the cosmetics industry that release low levels of formaldehyde over time. The scientific community ideally needs ways to deliver formaldehyde in a quantifiable, controllable way that is reproducible. The problem is that formaldehyde's high reactivity and volatility makes that really challenging, as formaldehyde is linked to a number of different types of cancer, particularly with nose and throat cancers, from inhaling formaldehyde, but it is often difficult for scientists to draw a conclusive link between formaldehyde exposure and the onset of disease. However, scientific investigators and microbiologists note that there is also an emerging evidence suggesting that formaldehyde plays a role in our metabolism. We are producing formaldehyde all the time inside us, but it is a very reactive chemical, and most things in biology are not that reactive. They think it might actually be an important nutrient, not just a toxin, but that having too much or even too little formaldehyde could tip us over the edge into disease. If we work out exactly what formaldehyde is doing inside cells, hopefully we can begin to answer these important questions. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.